Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your MEXC account. And trust me, in this video you're going to learn it step by step on how to get it done. Okay, so if you haven't watched my first video on what MEXC is all about, I have the video. I'm going to paste the link in the description below, and I'm also going to tag it above. Okay, so what you also need to know about MEXC is just a platform where you can actually trade cryptocurrency. You can buy cryptocurrency, you can trade one cryptocurrency against another. Okay, so the platform is similar to that of Binance, but I prefer MEXC. Okay, but why do I prefer MEXC? Basically it's because of when it comes to the whole verification issue, because verifying your account with your paper ID card in Nigeria is kind of a little bit difficult. Okay, but when you actually using MEXC, it's really easy for you to get it verified. And yeah, I tried verifying my account today. I completed one and I was able to get verified today. Okay, so if you haven't created your account on MEXC, I'm going to paste the link in the description below where you can actually register on MEXC and join. Okay, so first of all, this is just what MEXC looks like, and yeah, I'm just going to show you how you can register or sign up if you haven't done that. Okay, so right now I don't know what's going on. I think my network is slow. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is this registration process. You can see this mail registration and you can see phone number registration. Okay, so it depends on the one you want. Yeah, I think I did the one for email, then later I had to do the one for phone. I had to input my phone number manually after I've completed my registration. Okay, so you just put in your email, put in your password, put in your email captcha. That means they're going to send you an email captcha code to your email, then you're going to paste it here. Then your referral link, leave this as 17PAX. That's my referral link. Okay, so I can also know that yes, you registered under me. Okay, then once you're done with that, you're just going to click on sign up, and once you're done, your account is going to open. Okay, yeah, and for you to secure your account more, I advise you to enable Google Authenticator. Okay, Google Authenticator is a way for you to actually protect your account using a code. I would call it like an encryption code, basically, that no one else can sign into your account if they don't have access to that Google Authenticator code. And that Google Authenticator code actually, it changes every time. Like I think they give it about maybe 2 to 3 minutes before it actually changes again. Okay, so once one authenticator code expires, Google is going to give you another authenticator code. Okay, so back to MEXC. So how do you complete your registration, or how do you verify your account? Okay, to verify your account, you come to this icon here, but if you are on your phone, you're going to see something like your profile. Then you click your profile icon, then your identification. But I prefer you do it on your mobile device, or yeah, that's like your browser or something. Okay, but yeah, I'm on my browser for my laptop, so I'm just going to come to this icon here, then click on identity verification. Sorry. Okay, so as you can see, I've completed the primary KYC. I completed this today. As you can see, what I actually did was just to select my nationality, put in my name, select the ID type, put in ID card number, then I was verified. I think in less than 2 hours I was verified. Okay, so now this is the advanced KYC. Okay, as you can see, this is the daily withdrawal limit I can actually do on this account. I can go ahead and continue trading. If I go to my assets here, you're going to see the amount of cryptocurrencies I have in my account. And I've been trading even before verifying this, before completing this primary KYC. I've been trading. Okay, so as you can see, this is the amount my currency is actually worth in, or my cryptocurrency worth in. So this is advanced KYC. This is going to help me increase my daily withdrawal limits. So once I click on verify, it's going to show me that do you have this MEXC account installed. So yeah, I think I have the app on my phone, so I'll just go ahead and open the app. Okay, so they said we're going to open the app and scan the code. Okay, I'm going to open the app and scan the code. Okay, my device. Okay, so yeah, it's opened already. I'll just Okay, so this has to scan this code. Okay, advanced KYC on my account. I'll just screenshot this so I can paste it here, so you can. I'll just screenshot that. Then I've done the one for primary. I'll just click on advanced. Then once I click on advanced, it's going to tell me to verify. I'm going to select my nationality, Nigeria. Select my nationality, Nigeria. Then I'll click on confirm. Then it's going to open. Okay, it's asking me for. Okay, yeah, it's asking me for ID card. Okay, so I'll just see if it's going to work. So what this thing does is it's just going to help you scan. As you can see, it's just going to help you. It's just going to help you scan your ID card front and back. Okay, it's going to help you scan your ID card front and back. And okay, so what I'll do is, okay, yeah. So as you can see, it's helping me trying to scan my ID card front and back. But since I don't have this ID card, I can't actually get this done. Okay, I can't get this done. So what I'll just do is I'll just ignore this. I will ignore this since I can't do that. But as you can see, you can actually get your primary KYC. You can actually get it done. It's really easy for you to get it done. Okay, and once you've completed that one, then you can go ahead and start trading. Okay, you can go ahead and start trading. It's not MEXC is not actually difficult like that of Binance, whereby you have to complete this before you can actually start trading. Okay, yeah, so that's it guys for this video on how to verify your MEXC account. Okay, so once you have that done, you can go ahead and start trading. You can go ahead and withdraw, you can go ahead and deposit, you can go ahead and exchange any cryptocurrency. Okay, so that's it guys for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you actually enjoyed this video guys, don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video. See you in another amazing video like this.